I'm not great with heights, so naturally, this is where I find myself. The very top of the Koshki Mehmet Pasha Mosque, a 17th century marvel whose builders clearly never imagined size 11 sneakers. The climb up feels less like a staircase and more like squeezing through a medieval air duct, each step tighter than the last. If your shoes are bigger than a 10, you'll be doing this one sideways, praying no one decides to come down at the same time because they won't be passing you. When you finally crawl out into daylight, the world opens up. The Neretva River winding below, Mostar spreading out in all directions, and just enough space to stand without triggering your inner claustrophobe. The view is phenomenal, the balcony not so much. Still, it's moments like these that make Bosnia what it is, equal parts breathtaking and humbling. A little uncomfortable, a little chaotic, but always worth the climb. Mostar keeps getting busier every year, and after standing up here wedged between history and vertigo, it's easy to see why. I'm feeling a little claustrophobic.